Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Illinois Everbearing Mulberry, and it is a great mulberry. It's cold hardy. It's easy to find at nurseries online or local, and it ripens over a long season. It says it's everbearing, and what that means is that these mulberries all appeared on this stem here, all appeared at the same time as all of the mulberries on all the other trees appeared. But for Illinois everbearing, it just takes a long time for them to ripen. So you end up getting ripened mulberries later in the normal season. So after a lot of your other mulberries ripen, this one will start to ripe, and it will keep ripening these for quite a while after the other mulberries have all finished up. The taste of Illinois everbearing is actually quite good. Let's go ahead and pull one off here and take a look at it here. It's a larger berry, particularly if you let it grow and the tree gets bigger, it'll become kind of a larger mulberry. And it's got a great flavor to it. It reminds me of Kip Parker and Lawson Dawson, which I've been talking about all summer, just because they're great flavored mulberry. But if Illinois everbearing is all you have available, there's nothing wrong with it. It's great mulberry. And there's not much else to say. This is a good mulberry. It's easy to acquire. It's got a great flavor, and it ripens over a long period. So you can have mulberries. You can go out and pick mulberries in your orchard over a long time. And if you're growing them to sell or share with others, it fills in a gap in mulberry production towards the end there, where you can rely on this to give you good tasting mulberries.